Osoto Otoshi. Osoto means the big outside. Otoshi means to drop. Very dramatic throw and very painful too. No matter how good I am in the waza, every time it was done to me, I remember hitting my head and seeing stars. You might even consider this as waza because you're abandoning your upright position. And in most cases, it really turns into a waza. You abandon that upright position and you end up right on top of it. Here's a piece of Bugatti, right? Mm-hmm. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to bring this leg, and you see, instead of sweeping back, I'm going to drop down. Kazushi, on Osoto Otoshi, you're going to pull him down. You see this elbow? It comes down, right? And then this left hand here, instead of pushing here, it drops down. And the leg is way back here. When I drop down Otoshi, that's going to force him down. Try to get the hand movement so that when you come in here, it's down. Otoshi, to drop him down, not to push him backwards. But when I come in here and I drop, you see where I'm looking? I'm looking this way here. Not looking this way here, because if I look this way here, it's going to cause me to turn him. I don't want to turn him, because if I turn him here, this way here, watch that leg. See that leg? He can turn around, and then with me, you also got it right there. If you want to take your foot way back, that's fine. But focus on your nose straight ahead. That's where you want to drop down. You don't want to turn your head. It causes them to turn at all. You want to go straight down. So a lot of times in Bandori Shiai, right? You come in here, the guy is fighting you, right? So instead of pulling out, you just drop straight down. So just to practice it, don't try to throw it all. Just try to come in. See here, very simply here. All right, 1, 2 here, and then try. See how I pull it down here, and then come out. See here, in here, okay, and then drop. So how did this come about? Okay, I'll show you. So here it comes here. See how I block here? This foot comes here, and then pow. You see how I drop down? This is just a Kondo kata. We're seeing people do it by here, from here, got it here, right? And then when they come, you see how this hand comes here, and you notice how I shoulder strike him again, pow, down. So the question is, should the hand be this way here, should it be this way here, should it be this way here? Right. Okay, it's your bowl. God, it doesn't work, right? This hand comes here, and then drops down. Now you notice that my armpit has his shoulder, and then I'm grabbing the judo-gi. Can you imagine all that coming down? I want to go straight down. It's not your strength that's doing the throw. It's the waza that's doing the throw. It's simple science. If you're in that perfect position and you drop your weight, the science will take care of the throw. So that's why my dojo is waza judo. It's technique judo, not muscle judo. That's the strength. Hence it's called Riki dojo. Riki means power, strength in Japanese, chikara. But it's not this kind of chikara. It's this kind of chikara up here. It's this kind of chikara here. The spirit. Okay? And then rely on the waza, on the technique.